थोड़ा सा मुझको उठना पड़ गया था, मेरा बच्चा बेचैन हो रहा था उधर, तो अभी मैं वापस आ गई हूँ। ये सब चलता रहता है। अभी वीडियो बनाना उतना आसान नहीं रहा जितना था कभी पहले। Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Dubai. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. That would mean the world to me. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can glam up yourself for this coming Eid. If you would like to know some tips and tricks and how to do the makeup and what not to do in the makeup, then please keep on watching. For today, I'm going full glam as it's a Eid makeup. Whenever we are fasting, our skin tends to go really dry and really dehydrated. For that, I'm using the Titter Milk Ampule. It is a beautiful glow serum moisturizer, whatever you want to call it. It's quite thick according to the serum, but it gives a beautiful glass skin feel. Let me show you. Can you see this? Can you see the instant glow? It's a beautiful product. Beautiful product. I really, really like it. If you are a dry skin girly, you can definitely get on the train of this. And even if you're not a dry skin person, just give it a little bit of time on your face and then you can go in with your moisturizer or primer or whatever you want to feel like. But this is a beautiful, glowy moisturizer. The only thing that I always advise my girlies here is that, first of all, do not do your foundation right after your moisturizer. Just give it a break, like give it like a minute or two, let that sink in, and then go ahead with your foundation or primer. Now, to top it up, I'm using my favorite, say, Rosy Glow Gel. Eid is all about glam, right? So we have to make sure that the skin looks beautiful and glamorous from within. I really like this product. This is such a versatile product. Just a beautiful, beautiful product. Love it. Can you see? These are just two products. I swear this is not my whole skincare regime. These are just two products that have created this magic on my face. These are those two products. These are gorgeous. For my foundation today, I'm using Makeup Forever HD Skin. How gorgeous does this look, right? It's looking so flawless, so nice. I really like how glowy and glassy my skin is looking. Just so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows real quick. You know the drill, right? You know it. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, let my foundation settle in a bit, and then I'm gonna go back and do my concealer. थोड़ा सा मुझको उठना पड़ गया था, मेरा बच्चा बेचैन हो रहा था उधर, तो अभी मैं वापस आ गई हूँ। ये सब चलता रहता है। अभी वीडियो बनाना उतना आसान नहीं रहा जितना था कभी पहले. Right now my foundation is completely soaked in, it's completely settled, and now I'm gonna go in with a concealer. And for today I'm using the pot concealer. I'll be doing a little bit of correcting with the T-Fit and the concealer, then I have the other ones. Okay, so I'm just taking a little bit, tapping off the excess again. I'm just doing it on my orbital bone. Nowhere else, only on my orbital bone. I did a little bit of correcting from my T-Fit concealer, which is this one, which is very popular and was a viral product recently. And now to brighten the under eye, I'm going to go in with the NARS Concealer Pot. Can you see the difference? And I'm taking really, really less amount. The only reason I'm taking the NARS concealer is, first of all, it's full coverage. Second of all, it's gonna stay a pretty long time. Like, the coverage is also very nice and you can work really easy with thin layers of the concealer. That's what we need right now. We need really, really thin layers, because I know that when it's Eid, you're supposed to work as well. You're supposed to take care of the guests. You're supposed to take care of your own outfit and everything together. Like, it's a whole feast. You have to arrange that feast for everybody. I know it's a lot of work. The last thing that should be bothering you is your makeup. According to me, always, I don't get time for any touch ups or anything. So I just do my makeup in the morning and it stays till the night. This thing that I'm telling you, the only reason I'm using specific products is because I know, being a Muslim, I know how heavy it is for women, and this is the only reason I'm using the product that I'm showing, because these are the most easy products. You can get yourself dolled up within minutes and it will not look too heavy on your face. That's the major thing we want. If you're going in with layers and layers of concealer, it's gonna ruin your foundation or makeup by the end of the day if you're not doing any touch ups. So, with heavy concealers, you need a little bit of touch up. You need to add a little bit of powder here and there. You need to remove those lines that has been created. So, yeah, I guess this is a beautiful concealer. If you don't have anything like this, you should definitely invest in one of those pot concealers, maybe from any brand. But if you can go in with NARS, then why not? Now my face is looking blank like a canvas. So to bring that little bit of color or life to my face, I have to add that color. First of all, let me just set my makeup using the K Beauty powder. I use drugstore brands also. I know it looks like I don't, but I do. I really like this powder. If you ask me, best drugstore powder that I really, really like, it has to be this one, the K Beauty one. And now it's available in UAE as well on NISA website. So yeah, it's a brilliant powder. If you want, you can set your entire face with this. But right now, I'm just going to go in and set those face where the oil comes pretty faster. It has to be on top of my eyelids. I have to set my under eyes and then my nose. Nose is very important. Don't forget nose. It may look like that you're going too much, but trust me, the minute your skin will release oils, it will all go really glowy in a minute. So don't worry. You can mattify your whole face. It will, everything will peep out eventually. Don't worry. I've just used the same puff and I did not use any heavy powders on my face. So do not go overboard with your powders as well. I'm telling you everything so that you don't miss out on your special occasions or special days. Whenever it's your special day and you know it's a lot of work, do not go over with your powder. They are the ones that will crack your foundation in the first place because it will make your skin look, and now, when your skin is like this dry, it will crack the foundation. It will create the lash lines. It will create everything. So just make sure that you're keeping it as easy as you want. You don't want, because you won't be staying whole day like, you will be smiling, you will be laughing. You need that space for your makeup. You need that space for elasticity on your face. So just make sure that you're not using too much powder. You're just adding the powder where it's necessary. For the bronzer, I'm using She Glam bronzer. I recently bought it and it's a beautiful shade. It blends beautifully, it looks beautiful. So, yeah, it's a gorgeous thing. I was not expecting too much out of She Glam, but I'm truly impressed. This shade is Golden Sun. With bronzers, many people don't like to use bronzers, but if you would like to have that a little bit of sun-kissed look, then you should go in with your bronzers. If you don't like it, you can completely skip it and go ahead and do your blush. Now that I have a little bit of dimension on my face, I'm going to go ahead and add our most favorite thing, that is a blush. Who doesn't love a good blush? For my blush today, I'm going to go in with Patrick Ta. She's a doll blush. I just intensified it using the powder now and it will all go in. So yeah, don't worry about the blush. You can go a little extra on the blush and it will eventually go off your face. I'm done with my blush and I'm definitely going to intensify it. I'm going to see how the blush looks by the end of the video. If it looks a little lighter, I'm definitely going to intensify it. Now I'm going to go in and do a little bit of highlighter. It's by Rare Beauty in the shade Enchant. Okay, so once I'm done with makeup, I try not to stamp anything directly on my face. I just take it on this and then I'm gonna go in with the brush. I am always a little scared because blunders can happen. It's always better that you take it on your hand and then go gently on your face. That way you have a huge proper control on your products. एंड दैट्स वॉट यू वॉन्ट राइट नाउ. इसमें इतना हाईलाइटर आता है ना कि अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि मेरा हाईलाइटर ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो गलत लग रहा है. हो वो बहुत ज़्यादा आता है इसके अंदर हाईलाइटर. सो आप किसी भी लिक्विड हाइलाइटर को हाथ में निकाल कर फिर लगाएं, ओके। अगर आप लिक्विड हाइलाइटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट प्लेस में, तो आप उसे हाथ में निकाल के फिर लगाएं। उसे डायरेक्टली अपने फेस पे मत लगाइए, क्योंकि अगर आपके फेस पे ज़्यादा पाउडर है तो स्टैम्प हो जाएगा, वो नज़र आएगा आपके फेस पर स्टैम्प हुआ हुआ। फॉर माई आई शेडो टुडे आई एम यूजिंग मेकअप बाय मारियोज द न्यूट्रल पैलेट, and let's go ahead and show you that beautiful look that I have in my mind. It's always such a pleasure to remove this film. I love it. Such a beautiful new palette. We are just going to keep the eyeshadow a little simple today, and I'm going to do a full like glitter and a party one also. I'm going to show you two different looks. One, a beautiful matte look that you can just do it at home and attend your guest in, and one where you can just go ahead and let yourself out and do those all the beautiful glitters and everything on your face. Today my main focus area is on my skin. This is the reason I'm just keeping it really light and natural on my eyes. I'm not creating too much color on the eyes. This is the reason I'm going in with neutrals today. I'm not adding a lot of colors. I'm just keeping it very natural, very nice. A little bit of smoke, because of course we need that oomph. After all, it's a gorgeous festival. Now I'm going to show you what difference will I create. So I'm just going to take these light shades right here, and I'm going to do my inner half with these. This is how you can achieve a beautiful look. This look is a beautiful, gorgeous look. This will work with every color outfit. It is gonna look good on every age and skin. It is gonna look beautiful on everybody, because now if you have a little darker skin, you can just choose the darker color and a very lighter color for the for the inner half, but it's gonna look really pretty. Trust me, you have to try it at least once. In today's makeup, my main focus is on the skin, as I've told you before. This is the reason I've kept my eyes matte. But this is the reason I've kept my eyes matte. But if you would like to add a little bit of shine, which you know that I like glitters, I love glitters, I can drink glitters, I'm just gonna give this look a little bit of sheen. Let me show you how. So I've got this Fenty Diamond Bomb. I'm just gonna spread it on my inner eyes, inner half of my eyes, and it's gonna look pretty. Okay, let me do that for you. And it's gonna look outstanding, because this is not too much. This is just the right amount of shine that you need. If you have seen my previous videos, so you must know that I was looking for a lipstick. It was not coming in stock. So I finally got my hands on it. It's Pomegranate by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me show you how this looks. I mean, this collection, this lipstick collection has just blown my mind. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. It's so comfortable on the lips. I have no words. This is how you can achieve a super chic yet classy and a beautiful Eid look, or any other look for that matter. As you can see in the whole video, I've not overdone anything. I've not overdone on foundation. I've not overdone on the eyeshadow. I've just done my skin nicely. So if you see, my skin is talking to you. I know it is. So this is how you can just achieve the beautiful look. I'll always and always suggest to go for one area focus only. If you would like to have a glowy, healthy skin, just focus on the skin and do not exaggerate everything. Just do not use a lot of highlighter or a lot of glitters or a glitter liquid lipstick. If you're going with glitter eyeshadows, I would always suggest you to go with a matte base with not too much going on your face, because we don't want to look like a disco ball. We would like to keep it chic. Remember, with this, I finish up the look. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification that's right there, so you never miss an update from me. See you in my next one. Bye.